As entrepreneurs, Canva was like a godsend to all of us. We know that we need to reach our tribe in different platforms of social media. And one of the best ways you could do that and save a lot of time and get back to your business is to create multiple social media posts at one time. So we're going to do that today. You're going to click on social media and you're going to scroll down and click on Quick Create. Once you're in Quick Create, you can create up to 8 designs at one time. By adding an image and adding a couple of texts, you're good to go. So we're going to click on Get Started. So your editing is all on the left hand side where it says to you, select at least one format. We've done that. We've selected 4 and we click on Continue. And then it's step number 2. It's saying to us on step number 2, add text for your design. And it shows you where the text message is going to be. As you see on the box, it says add your main message here. So when you add the main message, it's going to go into all of these formats that are available that you would be able to pick and change and choose at the end of the design, as you will see. So we're going to add one of my favorite quotes that I have right now that says, imperfect, well, need to spell right, ne? You have 25 characters in the first main text. Then you're going to click on the additional text which is at the bottom of the page here. It says add any additional text here. Imperfect consistency is better than perfection. Then you're going to click on Continue because you've added your text. Step number 3 is if you have an image that you would like to upload or drag it to where the image is going to be placed. I don't have an image. I'm going to go to Continue and then I'm on step number 4. Now it's asking you, select a template collection from the previews where we see on our right hand side. So then you're going to scroll and see which one speaks to you. I love this one. So I'm going to click and highlight this one and I'm going to continue because this is the one that I would like to go with. Again, if you want to add an image, it warns you, go back to step number 3 and then add an image if you want to add an image. I don't want to add an image. I'm happy with my choice of the template. I click on Continue and then we get to the styles of Canva. If you have a pro version, you would have your brand colors added there and you can scroll down to view other different palettes that are available and you can click and change and choose whichever palette that you want to go with. I'm happy with this one. I'm going to click Finish. And then it organizes it in a beautiful folder that's called whatever you've called it. So you can either download it or you could see the collection. So I would like to see the collection. It would now take me to the folder under Project. So under Project, there's that Imperfect Consistency folder with those 4 designs that I've created for Pinterest, Instagram story, Twitter post and Instagram post. You can go ahead and download it and then share it on social media. If you have a pro version, you can share it immediately from the design. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe as well as like the post so that we can help as many small business owners who do not have time to design, which is our job, to make sure that they have beautiful designs while they are creating their beautiful brands. I will see you on the next video.